You see a cassette right there, another one here, gonna be installed, one here, another one right there. But I want to show you specifically how we build the one here. So if you see right here, we don't have space enough to put a cassette on, and then we have to cut the wood right here. But if you cut it, before you cut, you need to put a 2x4 to hold it, everything, okay? If not, that part here, you're gonna fall down. So put a 2x4 here and attach to the one here, okay? And then I cross that one here, and then I put that little piece here, you see? And then was cross from here to right there, and that bracket right here came inside the cassette unit, okay? But we do need a extension when your ceiling is too high, so get a metal right there one here and do extension, screw everything, okay? And I like that one here that way because the pipe here have to come in before all body, okay? A little like angle, and then push up. Somebody else gonna pick it up at the attic, and then I'm gonna stay here to put it in. So for the drain line, has one unit right there, another one right here, and the pipes come right here. We put isolation and goes all the way over right there. So the drain line coming from that way here, but all lines set, you're gonna go that way here, see? So you're gonna be connected, everybody here. And here we are about to finish, okay? But we're gonna do vacuum right now. I'm gonna do a setup vacuum and I'm gonna show you what. So we got 4 lines, 4 mini split. First of all, we're gonna take the pin out here, right here, okay? So for vacuum, I like to use that setup here, right? My pump right there. Yeah, 3 on right here. You got 4 cassette mini split. I just raise up a little bit right there because I don't want to get dirty inside the condenser. So all lines set come from that way here, and the drain line goes right here. Disconnect right here. Yeah, that's pretty much done.